Today, I'll show you how to place a trade on MT5. First, open your MetaTrader 5 platform and log in to your trading account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Market Watch panel on the left side. This is where you'll see the list of available instruments like currency pairs, indices, commodities, or stocks, depending on your broker. Next, choose the asset you want to trade. Right-click on it, then select New Order. You can also press F9 on your keyboard to open the order window faster. In this window, you'll see the symbol, trade volume, stop loss, take profit, and order type. Now enter your lot size, which is the size of your trade. After that, you can set a stop loss and take profit if you want to manage risk from the start. Then choose whether you want to buy or sell. If you think the price will go up, click Buy by Market. If you think it will go down, click Sell by Market. Once the order is placed, you can monitor it in the Toolbox panel at the bottom under the Trade tab. From there, you can modify or close the trade anytime. Before placing real trades, make sure you understand your position size and risk. It's always a good idea to practice first on a demo account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.